Today's video, another super duper exciting ang gagawin natin because we're going to test out, or I am going to test out for you guys, yung bagong product ng Vice Cosmetics, and it's a collaboration again with Mama Anne Clutz. And the Super Mega Ultra Curl. So it's called the Vice X Anne Clutz Super Mega Ultra Curl. So this is a mascara, obviously. And it retails for 295 pesos. Well, i-round off na natin to 300 pesos dai. Meron siyang castor seed oil, nourishes and moisturizes lashes. Meron siyang panthenol, strengthens lashes and gives extra lashes, gives lashes extra shine. And then meron siyang peach leaf extract. Conditions lashes, helps prevent breakage. So, hindi lang to mascara. So, para siyang ano din, lash care product. Kung merong skincare, merong lash care. And of course, it's paraben-free, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, talc-free, and gluten-free. Water-resistant, volumizing, and lengthening. Ang daming hanash, dai! Tapos, dai, this is a kit na binigay nila. There's like 3 levels of using this. Get super curl lashes in 10 seconds by curling your lashes and then applying 1 layer. So yung mega curl is after mo ng 1 layer, let the first layer dry and then mag-second coat ka daw ng mascara for added volume. Ultra curl, magta-third layer ka. So pwede mo siyang gamitin up to like 3 layers to achieve yung super mega ultra curl. So let's start. You're gonna get ready with me, of course. So for my base, gagamit muna ako ng from Skin Lab yung Milk White Tone Up Sun Cream. So I did my brows na off cam because it's nothing too special. For my foundation, I'm going to use itong Everbalena All Day Liquid Foundation. Just a detail makeover loose powder. Contour, Vice Cosmetics Pore Sure. Pero for nose contour, dun pa rin talaga ako dai sa Aura Cosmetics. Pero for blush and highlight, gamitin natin yung Vice X Anne. It's just very subtle lang talaga yung color. For the lips, gusto ko sana gumamit ng Vice X Anne lip product. Pero guys, I'm going to take this opportunity to admit to you guys na ngayon ko lang na-appreciate yung mga BT21 characters because I'm a new recruited... My husband is here, by the way, sleeping. So, I'm a new member ng ARMY. I fell in love with BTS by like the end, parang December lang ata. This is what happened. Favorite ko ang Blackpink. So I was watching all kinds of videos about Blackpink. And then may nakita ko, parang may nagsiship ng kay Lisa and kay Jungkook. And I'm like, who's Jungkook? And Jungkook was a member of BTS. And I'm like, okay, I've been hearing about BTS like forever. Kahit nung nasa MOR pa ako, ang dami nagre-request talaga ng mga BTS songs sa station namin. So I'm like, sige nga. Ang una kong video na pinanood was, parang kaka-release lang no ng Life Goes On. And I'm like, this song is really good. I fell in love with the song first. And then I was like, okay, let's hear other songs. And then the next song I heard was, well, usually ko nang narinig yung Dynamite, yung Make It Right, and Boy With Love kasi usually nare-request yun sa ano tawag dito, sa station namin sa MOR. So I already know those songs. I'm like, oh, those are good songs. Narinig ko yung Life Goes On. And then the next song I heard was Spring Day. And I'm like, Die! Where was I all this time? What was I doing not listening to BTS songs? So yeah, I'm a BTS fan now. So who's my bias? I like all of them. Like, they're like a rainbow. They're like sunshine all together. They're so good together. They're so funny together. My number 1 is Jungkook. And then Taeyang. Probably Jimin. Or Jin. Jimin or Jin? Yeah. Moment of truth. Let's talk about the packaging muna. I love the packaging because it's not matigas like the typical mascara, and it's like an on-the-go mascara. Oh, cutie pie. First layer. Now let's wait for it to dry before we can apply the second layer. So ito yung super curl. Alright guys, so now let's do the second coat. So this is the mega curl. It's time to achieve the ultra curl. Ooh. Okay guys, so eto na ang ating final look. So I'm going to wear this all day and let's see how long it would last. Magbe-bleed ba siya? Or alam mo yun, kakaroon ba ng pamumuo later on? We'll see. But in fairness, it gave me length and definition sa lashes, but not so much on the volume. Parang may dalawang effect kasi ang bawat mascara. It's either it's gonna give you length. Alam mo yung parang humahaba yung mga hairs ng lashes mo. Or it's gonna give you volume looking, but not so much on the length. Like, hindi siya haba, pero like, tataba yung parang, alam mo yun, parang may eyeliner instant. So this is more on the lengthening but not so much on the volume, and I like lengthening mascaras more than the volume kasi pag volume lang parang nagka-clump lang yung lashes mo, pero pag length you can actually see the strands of your lashes. So we shall see how long this will last. 4 hours na ang lumilipas. Hey guys, so kakatapos ko lang maligo. Did you see what happened when naligo ko? Anyway, eto na. Wala na po akong mascara and everything. Quite surprised that it was so easy to take off. Like, para siyang yung Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara na you just like do that. Well, sabagay, sabi naman is water resistant, not really like waterproof. So, guys, I think this is okay kapag ka ikaw babiyahe, mapapawisan ka and everything. Kasi hindi naman siguro dadaan sa mata mo yung pawis mo. Pupunasan mo naman siguro yan, Pero hindi mo to maaasahan pagdating sa iyakan siguro, Pagdating sa iyakan at sa swimmingan, hindi mo to maaasahan, tay. Hanggang ano lang to, biyahe-biyahe lang. Pawis-pawis lang ng konti, ganyan. Hindi, magtatagal pa rin siya. Pero wag mo itong asahan like a waterproof thing. No, it's not. It's just water resistant. So less strength than a waterproof mascara. But I want to try something. Kasi kanina diba meron siyang level 1, 2, 3. So, wait. Okay. So, ang ginawa ko guys is, tingnan ko, yung kanina kasi diba, parang step 1, 2, 3 to like wait for one layer to dry bago ka mag another layer. Kanina yung ginawa ko na yung 3 layers ng tuloy-tuloy without waiting for each layer to dry. As in one dip, like 50 strokes, and then next dip, 50 strokes again, and then another dip, 50 strokes again. Medyo ma-achieve mo naman pala without waiting for the layers to dry. Pwedeng tuloy-tuloy lang siya. But the secret to using this, actually, with any mascara, you guys, is yung pag ganun-ganun mo. Usually talaga, like, siguro mga nakaka-100 strokes ako, guys. Sinusuklay ko talaga yung lash ko, guys. Para mag-fan out talaga siya. Now, I don't really wiggle it like that. I just brush my lashes ng pataas. Ayokong wini-wiggle kasi dun minsan may tendency with my lashes. I don't know about your lash. with my lashes, pag wini-wiggle ko ng ganun, dun siya nagkakaroon ng clumping. So, ako personally, I just brush it like that. And mukhang na-achieve naman ng bonggang-bongga. Now, the question is, worth it ba to for 300 pesos? Well, it's still not the best affordable mascara out there, but it does the job. Maganda naman yung effect niya. Nagfa-fan out naman yung parang yung lashes ko, diba? So it's good enough for the price na 300. Is it a must-have? Well, sure. Kasi, lalo kung hindi naman ganun kaganda yung gamit mo, diba? Magpalit ka na, no? So, I do recommend that you try this, lalo kung may budget ka na, alam mo yun, 300 pesos or something like that. It's good enough. But it's not something na, oh my god, amazing, out of this world, first time to use it, ganyan. But, ang dami kasi yung good benefits na kiniklaim. Well, I can't prove it right now because I tried it like, one day. Pero, yun na lang siguro yung parang, niya, redeeming factor niya, making it worth it for the 300. Kasi meron siyang mga benefit, shenanalin, yung mga sinabi ko kanina. But anyway, that completes this video for today, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo ng bonggang-bongga. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, you guys. So, yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!